Zelenci near Kranjska Gora, a hidden gem in the heart of Triglav National Park. Welcome to another episode of Explore Slovenia. In this video, I'll take you on a magical journey to the Zelenci Nature Reserve, located near Kranjska Gora. This emerald green lake and wetland area is one of the most enchanting places in Triglav National Park, a serene natural wonder hidden away from the crowds. Zelenci is not only a picturesque destination, but also an important natural site, as it marks the source of the Sava de Linka River, one of the two main tributaries of Slovenia's longest river. The Sava, the water in Zelenci rises from underground through limestone sediments, creating a crystal clear pond that shimmers with shades of green and blue. The breathtaking natural environment, Zelenci is home to many rare species of plants and animals, including marshland vegetation, delicate orchids, and numerous birds that find refuge here. We'll walk along wooden pathways that allow us to admire the wetlands up close and appreciate the richness of this unique ecosystem. Whether you're a hiker, a photographer, or simply someone looking for a peaceful place to unwind, Zelenci offers something for everyone. A walk through this natural oasis will leave you feeling refreshed and connected to the beauty of the environment. In this video, I'll show you why Zelenci is such a special place and share tips on how to make the most of your visit. Join me on this journey and discover yet another incredible corner of Slovenia that will surely captivate your heart.